Hi, this is Ilan Cherian, Chief Technical Officer at Comet Computer Private Limited. Through this video, I'd like to introduce you about the uh, Bug Bounty course which is offered by Comet. So basically, many of you would be interested in knowing about Bug Bounty program and to learn Bug Bounty programs, and also you might be interested in doing the Bug Bounties or participating in the Bug Bounty programs. So for those who are willing to get into the cyber security profile or information security profile, so this particular course will be very much benefiting. So basically, a bug bounty program, or you can also call it as a vulnerability reward program, is a crowdsourcing initiative that rewards individuals for discovering and reporting the software bugs. And also, bug bounty programs are often initiated to supplement internal code audits and penetration tests as part of an organization's vulnerability management strategy. And this course is focusing on the beginners to share the right path before going into bug bounty. And also, this phase is for those who have already tried in bug bounty hunting and also uh, but failed for some reasons, like basic concepts are not clear or something like that. So basically, this course will give them an idea about the basics of programming, network protocols, automation, reconnaissance process, etc. And for whom this course is for. So basically, this course is for those who want to build a career ahead in ethical hacking and cybersecurity. And also, this course is equally benefited for those who do have not networking background and they would further would like to strengthen their career with network security, cybersecurity, and ethical hacking. And the prerequisites to take this course is basically the participants should have a basic understanding of cybersecurity, virtualization, network concepts, and the operating system knowledge. And what you learn through this course. So here is the course content. So initially we'll start with introduction to bug bounty, and we'll proceed with information gathering basics and setting up lab, introduction to burp shoot, SQL injection, web application attacks, cross-site script, header injection, client-side attacks, brute force attack, exploiting web applications, insecure cause, and file inclusion, server-side request forgery, and insecure CAPTCHA, automated VAPT, and advanced information gathering, and also documenting and reporting the vulnerability, and finally concluding the course. So these are all the topics you'll be learning through this course. And here I'd like to show you a small demo about the bug bounty program, so where you can understand better about the bug bounty programs. So for this bug bounty program, I'll explain you mm, with a website so through which you can participate in the bug bounty programs. So here I have a site named bugcrowd.com. So this is one of the uh, uh, website which publishes or which conducts the bug bounty programs. So in this site you can go to the programs, so where you can see the list of companies which is participating in the bug bounty program. So here you can see many companies, including many top companies like Indeed, even Tesla, and Netflix. So like this, many companies, um, or even OLX Group you can see here. And let me load more result. So I just want to point out some of the famous websites. You can see here Netflix. So being a security researcher or an independent penetration tester, so you can participate in this programs, so through which you can uh, earn money also. Obviously, you can improve your technical skills also. So because you just like that, you cannot try to attack, or you cannot try to uh, penetrate any organization without their approval. So where this kind of companies where they are voluntarily uh, uh, inviting the attackers to uh, uh, uncover the vulnerability. Here you can see the Mastercard is also uh, registered with this website for bug bounty program. So as I said earlier, so you can use these bug bounty programs, so you can do more research and you can improve your skills. Obviously, you can also earn more money through this. Even Tesla is also uh, into this. Let me search for that. If even if you know any particular company, you can search for that particular company. Let me search for Tesla, and here you can see. So Tesla is also into this program. And further, you can see here per vulnerability, you're going to be paid or rewarded between minimum $100 to maximum $15,000. And you can see the program details of where they have given the information about their organization. So where we all know Tesla is a company of manufacturing the electric vehicles, and here you can see the range. So they have four categories in scope: target P1, P2, P3, and P4. So if you find any P4 vulnerability, you'll be rewarded between $100 to $200. For P3 vulnerabilities, $200 to $500. For P2 vulnerabilities, $500 to $3,000. And P1 vulnerability, $3,000 to $15,000 is going to be rewarded to you. And any bug bounty program you are participating in, so you need to go through the program rules completely, and also you need to go through the in scope. Uh, you can see here, so scopes and rewards. You can see, so these are all the URLs that you need to target. So any URL which is not inside the scope, you shouldn't target. And also you can see here out of scope, so these are all the URLs you shouldn't target. If you target if any of these URLs, obviously you might be legally penalized. And also you can see the focus areas, so what are all the areas you need to focus. And also you can see the finding type of specifically out of scope. So when you find any vulnerability in these areas, so those are out of scope of this program. And also you can see here, if you find any RC vulnerability, you'll be rewarded $10,000. And if you find any SQL injection vulnerability, you'll be rewarded between 500 to 10,000. For cross-site scripting vulnerability, you'll be rewarded between 100 to $1,000. For a cross-site request forgery, so you're going to be rewarded between 100 to $500. For authentication bypass, you'll be rewarded for $10,000. And horizontal privilege escalation, you're going to be rewarded with 500 to $3,000. And also for vertical privilege escalation, you're going to be rewarded 500 to $10,000. Or vehicle or product related vulnerabilities, so case to case, you'll be rewarded up to $15,000. So you go through the uh, scope, in scope and out of scope, and also go through the scope area completely, and then you proceed further. And also you can see the announcements. So if there is any new announcement by the company, you can see here. Okay, so this is how you can take part in the bug bounty programs. So you can choose any of the company which is listed here. So let me show you with another example. Let us search for maybe let us try with Indeed. And here again you can see these are all the in-scope targets, and be very conscious while handling the URLs. Do not touch any out-of-scope URLs. And here they have listed some new added in the scope areas. And also you should be very clear on the out of scope target, so don't uh, target or don't work on any out of scope URLs. So, and also you can see here what are all the vulnerabilities that comes under the $10,000 category, and the vulnerabilities which comes under $4,000 uh, reward. So again, go through the program rules very carefully and take the proceedings further based on the understanding. Through this video, I believe you got a better understanding about the bug bounty program, and also you got an idea what you learned through this course. And happy learning. Thank you all. Bye bye.